Hey everybody, Bobby Galfo back here with another Cigars.com video. Last video, we talked about how to properly smoke your cigar. And this one, we are gonna get into how to properly taste your cigar. So one of my personal favorite things to do, and it's not something that everyone could pick up, is to retrohale the cigar. So this is really bringing your nose into the equation. You know, they say 75% of taste comes from your nose. So you really wanna take the cigar, you wanna blow about 75% of the smoke out of your mouth, and then leave about 20-25% still in, and then the remaining will be exhaled through your nose. This is very difficult to do for some, so don't take your chances if you're questioning it your first time. So one of the important things with retrohaling is you get to pick up different flavor notes. You know, you get a bit of spiciness, things along those lines that you don't typically get when you're just smoking your cigar. So if you're not quite ready for retrohaling yet, there are different ways to taste your cigar by just smoking it in the mouth. You have many different taste buds in your mouth, and that's different for everybody, and you'll also pick up different notes doing that. So one of the big ways, if you're not retrohaling, is to take the smoke, and you want to have it basically back in the cheeks here, a little bit to pick up notes. So I'll show you. You want to kind of let the smoke linger for a bit, you know, kind of massage it around in your mouth, let it get a little, you know, it doesn't have to stay too hot the whole time. So once you've gone through a majority of your smoking process, a couple flavor notes that you will pick up and will see frequently on cigar review pages are, you know, nuttiness, a bit of herbs, spices, natural notes, and occasionally some woody notes and a bit of sweetness. Depending on the blend, depending on the region that it comes from, all affects these things. Basically, everyone's palate's different at the end of the day. So I recommend trying many different cigars, as many as you can. You can really start to pinpoint the flavors that you like the best. Same thing with food and wine. It's different for everybody. Everyone has their own personal preference. So smoke what you like at the end of the day.